Hello, teacher.
Hello, Lynn. Good evening. How are you?
I'm happy.
Yeah, you're happy. That's good to hear. Lynn, is my voice clear? Can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Good. All right. So today, Lynn, is we will be doing Unit 14. Okay. So, sorry. Oh, no. Wait me, Lynn. Not Unit 14. For a while. I'll try to check. Unit. Okay, sorry. So, Lynn, I forgot we finished already Unit 14. So we will be moving to Unit 15. Okay, so with me, I will share the screen with you. Okay, Lynn, can you please read what's Unit 15 all about?
1, 2, 3 animals.
Okay, so we will be talking about animals. So the title for our lesson is 1, 2, 3 animals. Okay, so here, Lynn, I have here
Hippo,
examples of
polar
animals.
bear,
What are these?
Mm,
First is
Hippo.
hippo. Next,
Polar bear.
polar bear and
Shellfish.
very
jellyfish,
jellyfish. Next, what's this?
Cow.
Cow. Next,
Crocodile.
crocodile and what's this?
Alligator.
Okay, alligator.
Alligator.
Very good. Next, another man. Lynn, what's this?
Tiger.
tiger,
Next,
Zebra.
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 And
Lizard.
okay, lizard.
Lizard.
Okay, now here, Lynn, I have here preposition. Okay, so first we have here in, on, and under. Look at here, the cat. Lynn, if we say prepositions, these are the words that help us to locate the place where the object is. Okay? It gives us the idea of the exact location of the given thing. Let's say, for example, the cat. Lynn, where is the cat?
The cat
Is
in
in the, what's this? In the jar. Again, where's the cat?
the cat in the shop.
The cat is in the jar. Again,
The cat in the jar.
is. Again, the cat is in the jar. Again.
The cat is in the jar.
Okay. Now here, Lynn, if we use the preposition in, make sure that the object is inside. Look at the cat. Is the cat inside the jar? Is it inside the jar? Yes. So we say the
Yes.
cat is in the jar because in is inside. Now here, how about this one? Where is the cat, Lynn, in picture 2? The cat is
The cat is on the door.
very good. If we say on, it should be here above, on top. Okay? If the object is on, here it should be above the surface. Next, how about the cat number 3? Where's the cat 3? The cat
is under the jar.
The cat is under the jar. Okay, very good. So again, Lynn, These are the prepositions in, on, under. Okay, understand? You get it? Okay. See, the cat is in the jar. The cat is on the jar. The cat is under the jar. Right. Okay, next, Lynn, let's have grammar. Please read, Lynn. What? Please read. What?
Was
Use.
used in questions to ask for particular information about somebody, something. Example, what is your name? What kind of music do you like? Where in or to what place are citrus? Example, where are you from? Where do you live? How many, what number? Example, how many books do you have? How many students in your class? What color is in present to ask for particular color? Example, what color is the cat? What colors do you like?
Okay, so here, Lynn, we will learn about what's the use of the what question. If you ask question using what, it means that you're going to ask for particular information about someone. Example, what is your name? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite place? Okay, you are asking information. Next, Lynn. If you ask the question where, then you are asking about the place, situation. Example, where? Where do you live? It's a place. Where is your school? It's a place. Okay? Next, Lynn, if you ask how many, then you are asking about number. How many dogs do you have? How many classmates do you have? Oh, how many cousins do you have? And Lynn, we have here what color is asking for color. Okay, so we have there what, where, how many, and what color. Do you understand, Lynn? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, these are just very easy questions. Okay, very basic questions. All right, let's move on. Now, Lynn, you're going to tell me about your pets. Lynn, have you got a pet?
Mm,
Yes or no?
no.
No, no pets. Before, Lynn, when you're still young, when you're still like grade 1 or like that, have you tried having pets or no? Have you tried? You have before pets or no?
No.
No, no. Okay, you don't have pets, so you don't have this one. Okay, Lynn, I have here the following. You're going to match the animal and numbers and write the, wait, match animal numbers and animal words. Example, Lynn, chicken. What number is the chicken? Where can we find chicken? Chicken is in number? Number?
Number 5.
Okay, chicken is in number 5. Okay, now Lynn, look at there. Where is the donkey? What number is the donkey?
Is 9.
Number 9 is the donkey? Is it a donkey? Are you sure that's a donkey? Number 9, Lynn, is not a donkey. Look at the picture carefully. Where is the donkey?
Number 4.
Okay, right. Very good. So you're right. Number 4 on the circle. Oh, All right, 4 like that. And then, Lynn, I have here. Okay, Lynn, I want you to write the number. Where's the snake, the frog, the hippo, polar bear, and until the goat. Okay? Write the numbers, okay? Okay, go. Finish, Lynn?
Yes.
Okay, let's check now your answer. So first we have here is snake is number 1, frog is 10, hippo is 14, polar bear is 7, spider is number 6. We have there 15 for the sheep, jellyfish is 3, cow is 11, crocodile is 8, tiger is 2, zebra is 12, lizard is 13, goat is number 9. Very good, Lynn. Very good. You were able to find where are these animals. So, Lynn, from the picture given here, which is your favorite animal, Lynn? Which one is your favorite? My favorite animal is
My favorite animals is polar bear.
polar bear. Oh, look at here, Lynn. Is your favorite animal big or small?
Big.
It's big. Is it ugly or beautiful?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Now here, Lynn, how many legs has it got?
There are 4 legs.
It got 4 legs. And what color is it?
It's white.
All right, very good. Can it swim?
Mm,
Can polar bears swim?
No.
No, yeah, no. There are some polar bears, Lynn, that can swim, especially if they do hunting. Now look at here. Look at here, Lynn. Look at the chicken. Is the chicken big?
Last eight.
Is it big or not?
No.
Not.
Not.
Okay. What color is the chicken in the picture?
It's black.
It's black. And what can a chicken do? Chicken can?
Chicken can.
What can a chicken do?
Mm,
A chicken can?
Chicken can.
What can a chicken do? The chicken can? Can the chicken swim? Chicken fly? The chicken can?
Chicken can fly.
It cannot fly. What can it do? It can?
It can fly.
It can fly. It cannot fly. Chickens cannot fly. How about walk? Can they walk?
Mm,
Can chicken walk, Blin?
Yes.
Yes, it can. So chicken can walk. Chicken can even run. Okay? So here, Lynn, I want you to write. There's that. Yeah, there is. Lynn, I want you to write what are the characteristics of this. Example, the chicken. Oh, look at here. Find it here. The answers are found. First is here. What can chicken? Describe a chicken. The chicken is small. You write small. What the color? Color is brown. There is a brown hair here. And what can the chicken do? It can walk. Like that, okay? Choose one answer for each in the yellow one and write it here, okay? You understand?
Okay.
Okay, small brown walk. Oh, how about the donkey? Look at the donkey. Go, Lynn. Okay, Lynn. So wait, Lynn. Let's check first your donkey, snake, and frog, Lynn, because we don't because my Zoom is about to close. We will continue with hippo later. Okay. Let's check first. Okay, for the donkey. Okay, what's your answer for the donkey, Lynn? Donkey is
Donkey is big.
big. What else?
Color is red.
And donkey
Can
can.
walk.
Very good. Next, number 2, snake. Describe a snake. A snake is
Snake is long.
long
Color is black.
and it can. It
And
can.
can scream.
Oh, correct. Next, how about the frog? What can you say about the frog? The frog is
Rock is ugly.
ugly. Its
Color
color is,
is red.
and it can.
And jump.
Very good. Okay, great work, Lynn. Very good. So, Lynn, you enter again to the Zoom class, Lynn, and we will continue with hippo. Okay? We are now at hippo. Very good with the 3 animals. Correct. Very good.